Closeness should feel comforting, not compromised. And bad breath? It's more than an inconvenience. It's often the first sign of something more serious. We care deeply, but most of us don't realize how much dental health matters until something feels off. The truth? 95% of pets go without a dental wellness plan. What begins as bad breath can quietly lead to pain, tooth loss, and even stress on the heart and kidneys. That's why we created something different. A delicious soft chew that's easy to feed, with an innovative approach that works from the inside out, through the bloodstream and saliva. Crafted with organic Scandinavian kelp and parsley, it freshens breath naturally, tough on plaque and tartar, yet gentle on sensitive teeth. Dental support made simple. No stress, no mess, just one small daily ritual that fits your life and supports theirs. Plaque Control Soft Chews. Turn bad breath into better health.